Alright everyone, today we're going to be doing an unboxing video. We're going to be taking a look at this Gilligan's Island DVD set. Right. Now, there are 3 DVD boxes in this, one for each season of the show. You got the first season, the second season, and the third season, all in one big box. And there are a lot of DVDs in here. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in the second one. And this one's a little smaller, so there are only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the third one. Alright, here's an overview of everything here. And if you enjoyed this, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and comment. I'll see you next time.